Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have this crimping plier set from Powerfix. It costs only 13 euros from Lidl, and I'm going to show you how you can use this crimping plier set. Let's see what we have inside. Inside we have the crimping plier, and we have some accessories. We have 15 cable ties of 100 millimeters and of 130 millimeters. Inside we've got some manual. If you want to read it, is your choice. Of course, I will show you all about how to use this tool. And inside, of course, we have some cable locks. We have blade receptacles, flat connectors, butt connectors, splash-proof butt connectors, and splices, and all the accessories, about 231 pieces of this set. Well, everything is okay about that, and let's find out how to use this tool. Striping a cable, you will use this area here, and you can adjust it with the positive and negative, the thickness of the cable. That's how you are going to manage to stripe a cable. Then with this plastic, you can manage the length of the cable that you need to stripe. Then here you've got a cutter for the cable, and this area is for these accessories inside. Now we need a cable. Now let's say we've got this cable. Very easy, you can put it here and stripe it. Then you can cut it. So easy. You can manage the length of the cable, and again, and cut it. Or you can use a bigger cable, and with no problem you can take it out and again cut it. Or why not a smaller cable for the LEDs, and the same thing. Now let's see what we have here. Let's take one of these accessories. Okay, we need this cable. Striping a little bit. And we're going to put it inside here. And then we're going to use the 1.5 to 2.5. Just push it. And that was all. Now if you need to put two cables together, you can use this one. Take that one, stripe this cable, and the other one. Then using again the same 1.5 2.5, press it. Then you can take the other cable and do the same thing. and you're good to go. Nice. Of course, we can use and that one goes here. Yeah, and a bigger one, of course. It has to do with the thickness of the cable. Again, we're going to use the same cable. And put it here and squeeze it. And you're good to go. And you can connect it. And of course we've gotten that for a connection for two cables together. And that. Differences is the thickness. But it works in every of these accessories the same way that I did with these two one and with that connection. And with all that, guys, this was the video how to use this Crimping Plier set. But it costs only 13 euros. If it is a usable tool for you, just buy it. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. And share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.